front of, behind, next to, between, in, on. Hello, boys and girls. How are you? I'm looking for my hat. Where is my hat? I don't know. My teacher told me there are words called prepositions that help us find things. She taught me a song to remember the prepositions. Can you help me see if it works? First, we have to learn the words of the song. In. The coffee is in the cup. On. The cup is on the table. Under. The cup is under the tray. In front of. The cup is in front of the jars. Behind. The cup is behind the jars. Next to. The cup is next to the jars. Between. The cup is between the jars. Now here's the song. In, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between, in, on, under, in front of, behind, next to, between. Here are some other examples. In. The pencil is in the cup. The avocados are in the bowl. On. The cup is on the table. The book is on the table. The dog is on the bed. Under. The cup is under the book. The book is under the magazine. The papers are under the tape. In front of. The cup is in front of the tray. The cup is in front of the plant. The dog is in front of the car. Behind. The cup is behind the plant. The dog is behind the table. The black dog is behind the yellow dog. Next to. The cup is next to the plant. The book is next to the computer. The dog is next to the car. Between. The cup is between the plants. The dog is between the cars. The book is between the computer and the magazine. Juli, do you know where my hat is?
Yes, your hat is in the living room, on the sofa, under the cushions.
Okay, thanks.
You're welcome.
The song works. You practice it, okay? See you next time.